Hello guys, so today I want to make some potato wedges and KFC chicken from home. So I'm peeling my potatoes here and my chicken is here marinating. My chicken, yeah. So I'll peel this, boil a little bit, just a little bit, then deep fry them. Okay. So I have my eggs here, my flour, and my chicken. Okay. So I'll put dip the chicken in the eggs and then in my flour. So my chicken is here cooking and my potatoes are ready. Let me switch off this. So these are my potatoes. I'll drain the water and then deep fry them. So let's wait and see the end result of this. Karibuni lunch. I've eaten only one piece and I'm already full. You guys should try this at home once in a while. So yummy.